Hey there! Check out these 50 clear Gable bakery gift boxes with cardboard trays, perfect for treats and gifts. Each box measures 6.1 by 3.7 by 6.5 inches and features a handy handle for easy carrying. Made from food-safe PET plastic, these boxes are sturdy, transparent, and tear-resistant to keep your goodies fresh and secure. Protective films keep the boxes scratch-free until you're ready to assemble them in seconds. They're ideal for packaging cookies, cupcakes, chocolates, and more for parties, holidays, or special celebrations. When not in use, simply flatten the boxes for convenient storage and reuse. Elevate your gift presentation with these practical and attractive clear favor boxes. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.